girl. Good girl. 3.
There's Judy.
Hi guys. Gonna pass them
That always happens.
You want to give a little bit to Cutie Pie? What kind of tree is it, Evie? It's a lemon tree. Oh, good, dirty boy. What are you?
That's it, too close. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh man, it's almost now.
Really, just
No worries, dude. Speak soon. Okay, bye.
What if I was 2?
Hi, Wolfie. Hi. Hello. Hello, Wolfie.
I see my chin.
Oh, yeah, we see your chin. Does it look better?
I think I see it healed.